Whether it is in Saran, Begusarai, Muzaffarpur or Aurangabad, in rally after rally, Nitish Kumar losing his temper at his own speech, during his own speech in front of people who'd come to listen to him. Why do you think this is happening? Nitish Kumar को इस election में इतना गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है?
Actually, some people are trying to raise intentionally and purposely. They send some people, I give them money, go there to speak out like that and create nuisance. But as you can see, our Chief Minister and the face of India in Bihar, Nitish Kumar, have replied so many times with smiling faces. But he was not
annoyed, he was not so angry. He told them that whatever you want to speak, you can speak, or you can go to the rally of the leader you want, but the people of the Bihar, the voters of the Bihar, will give you a proper reply on the date of the election. He was not annoyed. He is knowing it very well that he has worked so well for Bihar. Our party knows this, our alliance knows this, BJP knows this, that we are surely going to win 3/4 of the majority. But some
Rohan Gupta, the charge being flung by the Janata Dal United at the opposition, which is the RJD and your party, is that you are deliberately setting these people up. There was a video put out by Amit Malviya of the BJP today. The accusation is that these are a group of a dozen odd people in these rallies of Nitish Kumar. They're being paid between 300 and 500 rupees to go out and to bait him, to troll him, to heckle him so that he gets agitated. How do you respond to these charges? Rohan Gupta.
See, Rahul, as you have rightly told, you have many years of experience of working with Mr. Nitish Kumar, and he was always considered to be Mr. Cool. His anger and frustration are quite understandable. There are three reasons. Number one, he is facing the steepest anti-incumbency in last 15 years because of his non-performance during COVID time, because of his non-performance during the Bihar floods, and because of his non-performance overall, the corruption and all. Second is, if you see Mr. Nitish Kumar, he has betrayed trust of Bihar in 2015. He was voted in power with Mahagathbandhan alliance, and what he did to save himself from Srijan Gotala, he joined hands with BJP. So I think he is facing steep anger of people of Bihar, and his body language is quite understandable, and he has considered the defeat. Number two, when you are attacked by your own allies, see, BJP is not leaving any stone unturned to attack Mr. Nitish Kumar. It is said, there is a saying called Ghar ka bedi Lanka dae. I think in Bihar it is BJP ka chirag NDA dhaye. Because Nitish Kumar ko Dhokha Alliance. NDA's new name is Nitish ko Dhokha Alliance. This is what BJP is doing. Now you see today posters, Mr. Nitish Kumar, who is supposedly the CM candidate of the alliance, he is not there in the poster. So obviously Nitish Kumar has every right to be angry. The party on whom he relied is betraying him by using Chirag Paswan.
You are saying that Nitish is being betrayed by the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is why he's angry and that frustration is coming out. You're also seeing these images on your screen right now from Patna, where you now have lots of these massive cutouts and hoardings of the Prime Minister. There are also hoardings of Tejaswi Yadav, but Nitish Kumar, the Chief Minister, is not visible in the hoardings. These have been put up by the BJP, but unlike what you would ordinarily expect, where you've got Nitish Kumar and the BJP leadership on the same hoarding, you only now see largely the Prime Minister, and then you see the RJD hoardings of Tejaswi Yadav. Aparajita Sarangi, respond to the charge that A, the BJP itself has knocked Nitish Kumar off all the hoardings that have been put up in Patna and elsewhere, and B, because there's Chirag Paswan in the fray, who, even though you say is not fighting at your behest, but he keeps saying that he is, people are confused, and it's that frustration which is being manifested at Nitish Kumar's rallies.
A very good evening, Rahul, and my colleagues on the panel. Let me first tell you that Bharatiya Janata Party is solidly backing Janata Dal United, right? And as far as Nitish Kumar losing his cool is concerned, let me come back to that, the point at which we started. I would definitely not say that he is losing his Mr. Cool image. He is confident of his victory, and if you see the footages, if you see the images, you hear him. You hear Mr. Nitish Kumar. What is he saying? He's saying, you can go to the rally where you need to be. You go and say Jindabad there. I will be winning in spite of you. This is an expression of his confidence. Now, the thing is that all these boys whom we saw in the images on the screen have been planted in the crowd of Mr. Nitish Kumar. In fact, this is a belligerent crowd of about 10-15 boys, as we can see on the screen. So to say that Nitish Kumar is losing his cool, I think it is far from truth. This is one part. Number two, if you go by the statements of Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Shri Nadda ji and Honorable Shri Amit Shah ji, you will see that we are all with JDU.